Well, hello everybody. It's been a long time since I posted anything. Other than the fact that just before this, I posted a video of angelfish laying eggs. So, uh, this is just a quick update on my two tanks. The 20-gallon tank has remained empty. What I managed to do is now it is just used as a kind of a plant haven, if you will. So this is all my extra plants or baby plants and stuff that I've pulled out, or plants that have been uprooted in the other tank, and I put them in here. This tank has a few issues on its own. I have some snails in here right now. Don't even know how they got there. They just magically bloomed, probably from the old snail eggs that still lay on that uh, piece of wood there. So I get some snails every now and then, but none of them actually survive to get too big, luckily. Anyway, I know you're all excited to see the update on the larger 75-gallon aquarium with the custom background. So let's go take a look. So here we are, the 75-gallon aquarium with the custom background. First of all, let me just apologize for the tank. I literally just did a really quick vacuum of some debris on the bottom of the tank about an hour ago. It's still all stirred up. It's not settling out quickly tonight for whatever reason. I think I know why. It's probably because I didn't do a filter cleaning today. But anyway, here's a 75-gallon tank. As you can see, most of the original fish are there, and there's a couple additions. The background is still going strong, no problems at all. In fact, with the algae growth on it, along with, where the fish have cleaned, it looks beautiful. It looks amazing, to be honest with you. No problems with pH, obviously. We're past that point, and no problems with leakage or deterioration or falling apart or anything. As you can see in the corner there, I have my angelfish. They're still laying eggs. I just put a video up on YouTube about this, and it looks like they're still going at it. There's the female up there on the right. She's laying the eggs. The male just came up on the left, and he's actually basically fertilizing the eggs, if you will. So it's an interesting thing to have in this video. Actual pair of angelfish laying eggs while I do an update on my tank background. So the 3 angelfish are part of the 4 original that were in here. The one died way early, as everybody knows, I'm sure. The white guy is the biggest by far. He's huge. I mean, this is a 75-gallon tank. He's got to be about 7 inches fin to fin. The other 2 are between 5 and 7 inches as well. If you notice that clown loach there, he's hanging out in the bottom of the female for the most part. And the male, most likely because of whatever chemicals they're secreting while they're laying eggs. So not really sure what that's about. So the clown loach is the only clown loach in here. I still have the black neon. There's the one black neon still in the tank. He was part of the original fish that I put in this tank. He's the only one out of the 12 that survived. And then the pleco is still in here too. He's actually huge. He's got to be about 8 inches long. He hides all the time. I don't know where he is. And then there's 3 newer fish that have been here for about a little bit over a month, and they are mollies. They were females. One of them decided to transition over to male. So that's an interesting fun fact about mollies. I have 2 black and gold, and then I have 1 all gold. Usually they're out and about. I'm really not sure where they are right now. Probably down in the back. I don't know what the situation is. Usually they're all up in front here. Of course, I got the video camera out, so now they're just going to avoid me at all costs, it looks like. I'm trying not to get too close because, as you can see, they're still laying eggs up there, and I don't want to spook them out. But as you can see, the plants are different too. I've added a lot more plants. I've added different types of plants on and off. I had a bunch of grass in here, and between the mollies and the pleco, the grass just gets destroyed, as you can see right there. They just pulled it right out of the grate, and there's like 2 to 3 grates in here that they just destroyed over the past month. It's ridiculous. As they pull it out, as long as the roots are still there, I throw it in the other tank to see if I can get it to grow, but we'll see. Let me see if I can find these mollies. Oh, see, I get close, and this guy comes right up at the tank. Watch this. He gets mad. Oh. So that's a male. So hello, it's a beautiful fish. Gorgeous fish. This is another male right here. This is the other male. And there's the female. This male and that female are a pair. This male is lonely. I feel bad. And the funny thing is he is massive. I mean, he's a huge fish. Just to give you an idea, oof, look at him trying to attack me. That's my hand, and he's probably about a ½ inch off the tank. He's a really big fish. There's the mollies. That is the 2 females. I don't know where the one that trans over to male went. Oh, there he is. So that was a female, and as you can clearly see now by the pictures, that is a male. So definitely wasn't a male when I first got him a month ago, which is really strange. So we're probably going to have molly babies shortly too. Those 3 fish were given to me by somebody on a Facebook group that I belong to that was giving the fish away and didn't know what to do with them. They said they needed a new home. Originally they were in a 20-gallon tank, but they hated it. The 20-gallon tank also was not in the condition it is now. Put them in here and they've been happy ever since, other than the fact that they eat everything that's green in my tank. So, all right, well, guys, that's it for the update. Like I said, everything's doing well, and we'll leave you with the angelfish still laying eggs up there as the male is fertilizing some more eggs. I mean, how many eggs can he fertilize? Let's get a better look at the eggs before we go. How about that? I don't know if you can see them. Oh, yeah, you can see them. There's all the little eggs. No, move out of the way, girl. You can see the eggs there. All those little dots. Oh, yeah. So, it's funny, too, because with the way that the coloring on the background, it's hard to tell, but those are definitely eggs right there. There we go. Well, everybody, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it. Feel free to subscribe. If you don't like it, and there's a real reason for it, feel free to dislike it, but come on. What's not to like about fish? Have a great night, everybody. Bye.